So which platform would be best to teach online courses on? Well, it really depends on if you want to go to a marketplace platform such as Udemy, Skillshare, CyberU, Learningly, and those kinds of marketplaces, or if you want to self-host your course. There are pros and cons to each. When you're in a marketplace environment, the marketplace is doing a lot of the marketing for you. They're marketing their marketplace, and then the people that are searching for courses in that marketplace will find your courses and buy them. Now, there are some limitations with marketplaces, and that is, number one, there are price limitations. Typically, if you're selling your online course in a marketplace, you're going to expect to receive somewhere between $10 and $20 for your course. And it doesn't matter if it's 20 hours long or 3 hours long, you're going to get about the same amount of money for your course. But if you self-host your course, then you have the opportunity to sell the course for a lot more money. The only difference is that in a self-hosting environment, you're actually marketing your own courses. So you have to learn some simple marketing strategies to be able to market your courses. So there are pros and cons to each, and I actually use both. I have 52 courses on Udemy and other marketplace platforms, and then I have about 8 courses that are self-hosted. And you know what? My self-hosted courses far out-earn my Udemy and marketplace courses. So there's another world out there besides Udemy, and there's another world out there besides being on these marketplaces. They have a lot of good benefit because they give you an ongoing passive income. But on the other hand, you cannot beat being able to sell your courses for $97, $297, $497, and $997. You can't beat that. It takes a lot of $10 sales to make up a $997 sale, right? So be aware of all the options. And if you want to really know all the options, be sure to read my book, The World's Most Perfect Business. And in this book, I share all about the online course world and how you can excel in it, how you can be successful, and how you can build a massive passive income with online courses.